It's been a little while since I've done a video, but today I'm gonna do a quick, kind of like a power hour. I'm gonna see how much of my list here that I can get done before we have to take Hank to his haircut appointment. And I want to leave around 11:45. It's at 12 o'clock, but it's right down the road from where we live. And it is 10:52 right now. So on my list, I have dishes, vacuum downstairs, dust the ceiling fans in the living rooms, the kids' bathroom. I didn't get to do that yesterday. Oh yeah, just a second. I didn't get to do the kids' bathroom yesterday when I did the rest of the bathrooms. So that needs to get done. I need to clean the counters. I need to take all the trash, the house trash out. I also didn't get to do that yesterday, even though it was trash day. I'm really trying to adjust to get my trash out on Sundays now. Just a second, Hanky. I need to wipe down the laundry room. Yeah, you've got it out. There's just some like detergent and stuff on the washer and dryer. So I'm gonna get started on all of this, and I hope that it motivates you guys today and it gets you to do something in your home too.
like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine, like the stars had all aligned. I lay beside today, tonight, your vibe, desire, our eyes on fire. And I breathe your aura, can I leave your aura? You have me like gravity. You don't have to try it, it's just like a magnet. You have me like gravity. You have me like gravity. You have me like gravity. You just like it's like it's just like a magnet.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
find my way back to you, till you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone.
Woo, so I just finished, and look what time it is. Now I'm going to race down to get Hank a haircut. So yeah, we're gonna get a haircut, but I got everything done off of my list. So I am gonna go through and cross everything off. And then I will have to do my meal planning though and my grocery order when I get back from taking him to get his haircut. But we have to hustle, so I'm gonna go throw my Uggs on. As always, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and go follow me on Instagram too for daily updates on our life and all that good stuff. And always drop me a comment below because I like to hear from you guys. So thanks, guys.